SLV ಕಂಪನಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ.
A major fraud has been reported from Haveri, where people are being advised to exercise caution before investing in private companies. According to allegations, a group promised self-employment opportunities and cheated several people by convincing them that they would be provided with home-based work. It is alleged that the accused collected around 5 to 10 crore rupees from investors and later absconded. The case involves SLV Women's Mart company in Haveri, which is now at the center of the controversy. A complaint has been filed at the Haveri City Police Station against Vinayak Anveri and a woman named Ramya, accusing them of cheating investors. It is alleged that the accused collected lakhs of rupees from people by promising household employment. The promised work included packing agarbatti, brooms and candles at home. Reports suggest that for the first 1 or 2 months, the accused showed fake payment transactions to gain trust. Later, they allegedly collected large amount of money and disappeared. As a result, the victims neither received their invested money back nor payment for the work they had completed, leaving many people distressed and in tears. Hundreds of women from different parts of the state who had invested money in the scheme have expressed strong anger over the alleged fraud. There have been growing demands for strict legal action against those involved in the scam. A case has been registered under the jurisdiction of the Haveri City Police Station and an investigation is currently underway. Stay alert and always verify every investment opportunity carefully before committing your money. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.